Hey everyone, really exciting video for today. I'm going to be breaking down a haircut on my whiteboard so you really can understand what's going on here and really kind of embrace this haircut. I think this is really cool technology. If anybody wants to see more of these or a specific type of haircut, let me know. But I have dozens lined up, so I am really good on content. But let me know if you want to see anything specifically. So first things first is I want you to pay close attention to the shape of his hair, right? You can see how it's got all these like pieces in through here. Now this hair, I want you to pay close attention, and this hair is naturally wavy. However, if you do have straight hair, can you make this haircut or your hair wavy? Yes. And it's simply by how you style your hair, the products, your blow drying techniques. You can see all these waves. You have to utilize the right tools. And I have loads of videos on this showing how to make the hair wavy when it's straight. But another important thing to pay close attention to is the fact that the reason the hair is able to stick up or have that texture is simply because it's layered, all right? And layering is a technique that's designed to remove weight. So when the hair is held straight up like this, it's then cut off like that to create a shape. So it can move around, it can, have shorter lengths or so. That's what layering does. It creates a full process that takes away that bulk, that allows for the hair to have shape to it, all right? And that's what's really, really awesome about that. Now, this individual and, this type of style here, what's cool about this, and we'll get even closer in through here, is this model's hair is, I would say, on the finer texture, but there's a lot of hair. And there's a lot of hair because that's just, and everyone asks, how do you get the, you're born like this, right? You can have fine hair and a lot of it. But I want you to pay close attention to how this hair has these kind of swirls to it, right? That's what wavy hair does. And when you scrunch the hair like this, if I'm blow drying it and I scrunch the hair, then I'm able to create that texture. I use my diffuser on my blow dryer, and I also use tidal wave, because tidal wave is going to give me that texture, and then using my diffuser, I can scrunch like this. And then once the hair is damp, right, what you don't want to do is, you want to set it in place when the hair is damp, and then you go in, and then you can actually blow dry it, right? Because what you don't want to do is start to really touch the hair when it's damp or wet, and you don't want to mess it up, or you don't want to touch it. Don't touch. When the hair is damp, you can set it using tidal wave, the blow dryer, before you use the blow dryer. Scrunch it and then use a blow dryer, but let it be on its own. Don't touch the hair, because what happens is, especially on wavy hair, if you touch it too much, it's going to get frizzy. It's going to create kind of a mess. So the best thing you want to do is once you set the hair in place with the styling techniques, then you use the diffuser on the hair directly, and then you can use the air to dry it. You don't want to start touching it, okay? So notice another thing that's really important. Another thing that's really important is I want you to pay close attention to right in through here. Right in through here, if I were to pull this hair straight down, it would probably come to about right here, okay? If I were to pull this all straight down this way, maybe even a bit longer, maybe to the eyes. Now, when getting your haircut, it's really important that you tell the hair professional, you say, I want my hair to be this long, like here, or here, for example, let's just say. And then you say, So when it shrinks up, it's going to be here. You could even say that while you're getting your hair, before you even get your hair cut. You can simply say, I want my hair, when it's fully dry, to be here. So that means that it needs to be cut probably here, because guess what? It's going to shrink up like this. It's going to shrink up, and if you get it cut too short, let me know in the comments below. If you've ever said, oh yeah, I want my hair to be, here, and they cut it right there, and then the hair ends up being way up here, and you're like, wait, what the hell happened? That's simply because hair shrinks up when it's, especially if it's wavy or curly, it's going to jump up automatically. But if you're doing this and your hair's straight, just make sure that the hairstylist or hair professional is cutting it maybe a half an inch, sometimes even an inch longer, like for here, for example, for it to shrink up right into this area, into here, right? So you're going to be able to have that texture and not have it go too short. What do you say to your hairstylist? What do you say to your barber when you want your hair, layered like this? You want to see all that movement. You want to see that texture. Show them photographs, right? Show them photographs and say, look, I want my hair to have some wave. I'll style it. They also should be educating you on what needs to be done. Also, if down in through here for some reason you see these little pieces right in through here, say you don't want these hair pieces to stick out. Well, you can simply, blow dry it in. Blow dry the hair in like this to make sure that it's not sticking out. If you want to see these pieces, then what you need to do is you then need to blow dry it and use your hands to kind of rake it out, okay? That's the biggest difference. So if you want your hair to not flip up and stick out, then you blow dry it in with your fingers. But if you do want to see it, then you blow dry with your fingers out and you just kind of shake it up and ruffle it up. Same thing throughout the sides here. What you want to do when you're blow drying is just simply just scrunch the hair, and that's what's going to add texture, okay? That's the most important thing when doing this, is just, try to mess it up in a way where you're not really adding, frizz, and you're not really disrupting the shape, because especially if your hair is curly, if you start trying to rub your hair all over the place, it's just going to become like a frizzy mess, and you really, really don't want to do that, all right? So I would say, lastly, that this haircut is probably, I would say, bringing it down to here, maybe 5 inches max throughout like the length, and then everything else is held up. And I would say the layers are probably around the same thing, because everything has to be held up from the head. When the hair's getting layered, it needs to be held up like this. So for this haircut, all this will be held in a somewhat rounded shape and then cut this way, right? Cut all off like this. Even throughout the sides here, it's all being held out from the head and then cut, okay? So make sure that when you're getting your haircut, you notice the hair professional, they're doing the proper steps to create that kind of like rounded shape. And that's why you're able to get like this full kind of movement in through here. All right. And I know this, I'm drawing all over the place, but this is such great technology that I'm able to share this information with you just by drawing on a whiteboard like this, and that I'm able to, use different images. And again, I have so many haircuts that I can break down for you all. So let me know in the comments below exactly like what you want to see. I have tons and tons and tons. Let's just go for an example. This is like another one. Let's just say you want this. Now, I'm going to do this in a separate video. This is just a little bit of a tease, all right? But let's just say that you're like, oh my God, man, I want my hair to be like, like this. Let's see. Okay, whoops. All right, check this guy out, right? And I know you're all probably freaking out. I want that hair. I want that hair. Well, this is just an example, again, of, like what I can do to break down haircuts. And I can go over lengths. I can go over, everything we just went over. This is a square shape into here. It's not really that rounded. You can see the hair length. This comes down to about right here probably. So I have all sorts of options to break down haircuts. Let me know if you want to see like a middle part haircut. If you want to see a, let's see, whatever type of haircut you want to see, let me know. And I'll try to break it down for you. But this was the focus of today's video. And I hope you all enjoyed this. So please let me know in the comments below. Like the video, subscribe, and I'm looking forward to hearing your comments on this. So thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you soon.